Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today we're going to learn how to delete promotion folder in Gmail. So I'm going to show you how you can delete your folder promotion folder from Gmail, as well as I'm going to show you how you can delete emails from promotion folder, all emails, how you can select all emails and how you can delete it. So if there is no promotion folder in your Gmail, so I will show you how you can get this promotion folder. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Gmail, and I just open here. You can see this is my promotion folder. So if you don't see this your promotion folder, if you want to hide this, so you can simply hide. Go to the setting here and click on see all setting, and now you have to click on labels or inbox. Click on inbox, and here you can see the category. So just untick the promotion, or if you want to see your promotion folder, just tick it, and you can update other folder like updates and forums. So when you untick the promotion folders, means all promotion emails will be come to your primary. So I hope I suggest you to tick mark the promotion folder and just save it, and then come back. Then your promotion folder will be visible here. So if you want to delete your all promotion emails, just you have to click on this check mark which is nearby refresh button. Just tick mark this. After tick mark, the all email will be select. Okay, so it is some, my net has been gone, 1 second. So let it, okay, go to the promotion, tick mark here, then all email will be selected. If you have more than 50 emails in your promotion tab, then it will be the this option you have to check out. Now you have to click on select all conversation, means you have select all emails of this particular folders. Now you can delete from here, and it will be delete. So you can see 53 conversations will be delete. So just click on OK. So you can see the promotion tab has been nil now. You can see, okay, see this is add from Google, so it can't be deleted if you want to delete from here. Okay, but all deleted. Now it is not permanently deleted. For permanently deleted, you have to go go to this left side, but left side, interface, go to the more and go to the trash. So you can see all deleted mail here. So trash means is like recycling bin of Gmail. Now here you can see this email here up to 30 days, because after 30 days it will be automatically deleted by the Google. So if you want to delete it, just click on empty trash. So all message will be deleted, or select all, same as I show you, and delete forever. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe me. Thank you for